Integrate the integral of dx divided by square root of 4 plus x squared. 4 plus x squared is in the form of a squared plus x squared, where a would be 2. And anytime you're in this form, your substitution will be x equal to tangent theta. Look at the definitions in section 8.4 in eLearn, and you'll see your 3 possibilities for 3 different forms. Now take the derivative. That will be dx equals 2 secant squared theta d theta. And now let's change 4 plus x squared to be in terms of theta. 4 plus x squared will be 4 plus, what is x? 2 tangent theta squared. So this equals 4 plus 4 tangent squared theta. Factor out the 4. That leaves you with 1 plus tangent squared theta. And 1 plus tangent squared theta is secant squared theta. So substitute into your integral in terms of theta. So dx is 2 secant squared theta d theta divided by the square root of 4 plus x squared. We found that to be 4 secant squared theta d theta. So simplify. 2 secant squared theta. Take the square root of the denominator and get 2 secant theta d theta. Simplify and you get the integral of secant theta d theta. And that is one that you should have memorized. That is ln of secant theta plus tangent theta plus c. Now, this answer is in terms of theta. Our original integral is in terms of x. So we need to draw a triangle and change our x's to thetas. So we knew here that x equals 2 tangent theta. Solve that for tangent theta, and that will give me tangent theta equals x divided by 2. Now draw a triangle, a right triangle. And this is theta, and we know sa, ka, toa. Tangent theta is x over 2, opposite over adjacent, x over 2. And if you use the Pythagorean theorem with legs being 2 and x, your hypotenuse will be the square root of 4 plus x squared. So using that triangle, let's change this last line, the ln line, change those thetas to x's. That will be ln absolute value secant theta. Okay, look at your triangle. Secant will be 1 over cosine, so we're going to switch these. That would be hypotenuse over adjacent. Hypotenuse is square root of 4 plus x squared, and adjacent is 2, plus what? Tangent theta. We know tangent theta is x divided by 2, plus your integration constant.